This is a review of the men's tank top Hawaii shirt that I'll be doing a review about. And this review, we're gonna pretty much wear this and see how it is. This is a size large, and from here you can see the beautiful orange and then the Hawaii right there. And now pretty much the quality of this is really amazing as well too. It's super soft and comfortable. Now I'm gonna pretty much wear this on to see how it is. And this is, I did mention before, this is a size large, and it is pretty, it's a big size. It looks like plenty of space as well too when you wear it. It's stretchable, which is something I like as well too. But yeah, we're gonna wear this on and see how it fits and whether or not if this tank top is worth it. So these are the finished results of this gym tank top. It's really comfortable, I do want to say that, and it's also stretchable as well too. I do want to say that this is a size large, so it is pretty comfortable for me, and I do believe the size large is perfect for me. And not just that, it just looks overall very nice. I'm super happy with this product. It's really comfortable, and that's if you're looking for a gym shirt, that's something very, something to keep in mind. The comfortability is really amazing, and I would definitely recommend this gym tank top if you're looking for a new gym tank top to wear to the gym that looks nice and looks very phenomenal. Then this one by far for me and for everyone outside that I recommend is by far one of the best gym tank tops you could get, and I would highly and definitely recommend this gym tank top for everyone that is looking for a new gym tank top to wear to the gym. Then this is one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend it.